Hey everyone, ready to make money online using AI? Today, I'll show you how to make $5,000 by creating viral AI-generated anime reels. I'm even going to show you live proof of how it works. We'll use tools like Leonardo.ai to create stunning anime content. Let's jump in. First, find what's trending. Search for popular anime hashtags like #AnimeEdit or #AMV. Notice patterns like high-energy action scenes or nostalgic moments. Now let's create the content. I use Leonardo.ai to generate stunning anime visuals quickly. Describe your scene and Leonardo does the rest. Next, I use CapCut to edit these visuals into reels. Sync your video with trending audio. Schedule your reels for peak engagement hours, around 6 to 9 p.m. Engage with comments, encourage shares, and keep the momentum going with follow-up content. This reel I posted just 24 hours ago has already hit 150,000 views. And from that one reel, I've made over $5,000 through affiliate marketing, brand partnerships, and monetization. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell for more AI money-making tips. Share your thoughts in the comments below.